Gentlemen, get ready to have your minds blown. From smart tech that makes your life easier to insane gadgets you didn't even know you needed, today we're diving into 20 next-level gadgets every man needs to see. Whether you're into EDC tools, futuristic home devices, or just love gear that makes everyday life cooler, this list has something for you. These are the kinds of gadgets that make you stop, stare, and think, wow, I need that in my life. The TORQ 30-watt spin is one of the coolest chargers on the market right now. Combining a 30-watt GAN fast charger with a built-in fidget spinner you can actually play with while it powers your devices. It's compact enough for everyday carry and perfect for phones, tablets, and other USB-C gadgets. Early backers on Kickstarter have pledged around $34.90 for early bird units, making it a fun and practical addition to your tech setup. Pixel Cube. The Pixel Cube, a window to your world, is a fun, personal smart pixel display that turns a compact RGB grid into art, clocks, minigames, weather info, and more. Basically, a tiny digital canvas for your desk or shelf. Early backers on Kickstarter can pledge roughly $43 for an early bird unit, making it surprisingly affordable for what feels like a creative tech toy. It's Wi-Fi enabled and fully customizable through a companion app, letting you show whatever you want in real time. SAUMI. The SAUMI, the ultimate party gadget, is a quirky party accessory that turns competitive drinking into a minigame by precisely timing how fast you finish your drink, whether it's a beer, soda, or mixed drink. You simply place your glass or bottle on the device, start the timer, and compete with friends for bragging rights. It's compact, USB-C rechargeable, and built for fun at gatherings. While exact Indiegogo pricing varies by pledge tier, similar units retail around €40 directly from the maker. TEKHOME. The TEKHOME, the smarter gadget for your home, aimed to be an all-in-one smart docking station designed to simplify daily life by combining charging, organization, and smart home connectivity into one sleek unit. While the Indiegogo campaign didn't hit its goal, the concept promises a practical hub for phones, tablets, and accessories with clean cable management and multifunction convenience. Exact specs and final retail pricing weren't publicly confirmed during the campaign, but early pledges suggested an accessible price point for a home upgrade gadget. LISEN Retractable Car Charger. The LISEN Retractable Car Charger is a clever and practical upgrade for your vehicle's charging setup, combining up to 69 watts of fast charging from dual USB-C and USB-A ports with a retractable cable system that keeps cords tidy and clutter-free. Its 180 degrees rotating plug and long extendable cable make it easy to reach backseat devices, and broad compatibility covers most iPhones and Android phones. At around $16 to $25, it's an affordable, everyday travel essential for road trips and commutes alike. Skwitch. The Skwitch is a surprisingly fun and accessible music gadget that turns your iPhone into a one-button musical instrument with its companion app. Simply clip it on and start pressing the large, tactile button to create melodies, riffs, and sequences. No musical experience needed. It also works as a compact MPE-capable MIDI controller for music apps and DAWs, unlocking creative possibilities beyond just jams. Early supporters have backed it for around £22, approximately $28, on Indiegogo, making it an affordable and playful way to explore music tech. SitRest. The SitRest. Comfortable sleeping gadget in economy, aims to solve one of travel's worst problems: trying to sleep upright in a cramped seat. It's designed as a compact support pillow/comfort system that lets you rest your head and neck more naturally when you're stuck in economy class or on long commutes, reducing stiffness and fatigue. Early crowdfunding backers have been able to pledge modest amounts to secure one, making it an affordable travel comfort upgrade. For many frequent flyers, it's a simple but effective way to arrive more refreshed after long journeys. Happy Gadget. The Happy Gadget. Wearable Alert Watch is a kid-focused wearable designed to keep parents connected to their child's well-being, packing multiple medical-grade sensors like heart rate, blood oxygen, skin temperature, and motion detection that can spot unusual patterns and hard falls and send alerts to your smartphone. While precise specs and pledge pricing on the Indiegogo campaign vary by tier, it's positioned as a smart safety tool rather than just a toy, aiming to offer real peace of mind for families. Taskin Stash. The Taskin Stash is a smart, stylish electronics organizer pouch that turns messy cables, dongles, adapters, and small gear into neatly arranged essentials you can actually find. Its stay-open design and adjustable loops help keep everything visible and secure, while dedicated pockets fit pens, portable drives, and chargers with ease. Backers typically pledged around $50 to $60 during its Indiegogo run, making it a practical travel or work companion for gadget lovers who hate clutter. 6th G, a N200 watts travel adapter. The 6th GAN 200 watt travel adapter is a seriously powerful charging companion for anyone on the go. It uses 6th generation GAN technology to deliver up to 200 watts of total power, letting you charge a laptop, phone, tablet, and more at the same time with one AC outlet, 3 USB-C, and 1 USB-A port. Ideal for business trips or travel. What really stands out is the intelligent LCD display that shows real-time power output and charging time per device. Backers on Kickstarter have been pledging around $119 on average, making it a feature-packed and practical upgrade for travelers and tech lovers alike. Petvara Dog Collar. The Petvara Dog Collar is a smart training and recall device made for outdoor dog owners who want more control without yelling. It offers up to approximately 1,600 feet voice recall range and a 3,200 feet smart fence boundary, plus 4 training modes to help teach commands while letting your pup explore. The collar is IPX8 waterproof and built rugged for all weather adventures. Backers on Kickstarter have been pledging around $88 on average, making it a premium but rewarding tool for serious training and freedom-focused play. Black Panther Titanium Microblade. The Black Panther Titanium Microblade is a tiny yet rugged EDC pocket blade, crafted with a grade 5 titanium body and a S35 VN steel Hawkbill style blade, giving it a premium build without a premium price tag. It's compact enough to live on your keychain, but stout enough for everyday cutting tasks and quick utility jobs, from opening boxes to outdoor prep. During its Indiegogo run, early backers pledged for tiers around $45 plus, making it an affordable addition for EDC enthusiasts who love quality gear with a sleek tactical vibe. Meddsy. The Meddsy emergency kit for humans, cars, and gadgets is a truly all-in-one survival box that blends medical supplies with practical tools you'll actually use when something goes wrong. Packed with up to 70 essential items, from first aid gear to jumper cables, a magnetic LED torch, mini tools, medications, and emergency accessories, it's designed by travelers, doctors, and rescue experts to handle roadside breakdowns, minor injuries, or gadget mishaps. Backers on Indiegogo could grab one for about $99 plus during the campaign, making it a smart and versatile addition to your car, home, or adventure kit that gives real peace of mind when the unexpected strikes. Firemole. The Firemole is an innovative fire prevention safety gadget designed to protect your home and gadgets by alerting you when a device starts to overheat. You simply stick it onto chargers, phones, tablets, or other electronics, and it beeps loudly once temperatures exceed about 54 degrees Celsius, giving you early warning before a fire risk grows. During its Indiegogo campaign, backers pledged around €80 plus, making it an affordable peace of mind tool for every household with lots of plugged-in tech. Dymesty AI Glasses. The Dymesty AI Glasses blend sleek, titanium-framed eyewear with smart AI features you'd actually use every day, from real-time language translation and hands-free calling to AI-assisted meeting recording and summaries via a companion app. They weigh just about 35 grams with up to 48 hours of battery life and use Bluetooth 5.3 for connectivity. Early Kickstarter backers were able to snag them at around $200 to $300 depending on tier, making them a standout mix of style and practical AI tech for work and travel. MeowKit. The MeowKit is a pocket-sized multi-tool for makers, hackers, and DIY tech enthusiasts that packs serious capability into a compact device. Built on an ESP32S3 processor with a 2-inch color LCD, Wi-Fi/Bluetooth connectivity, GPIO expansion, and open-source SDK support, it lets you experiment with Bluetooth scanning, HID emulation, protocol tools, and even AI chat right out of the box. Early Kickstarter pledges started around $80 to $100, making it an affordable and versatile gadget for creative tech projects and prototyping. MagicBox S1. The MagicBox S1 is a tiny, multifunctional metal fidget toy built with precision CNC machined materials that combine tactile buttons, joysticks, rollers, and switches into a single pocket-sized stress reliever you'll find yourself fiddling with again and again. It's designed to satisfy restless fingers with 10 interactive elements that mimic gaming and mechanical controls. On Kickstarter, it massively overfunded, with backers pledging an average of about $81 per unit, making it a premium yet fun, everyday carry gadget for stress relief and focus.